Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we have an unboxing. Mail call unboxing. Mail call. And as you can see, I brought out the Knifes mat because, yeah, we shall see what is in the box. So there's a Blade HQ order. Yeah. We're going to open it up with one of the budget classics, CRKT Pete. Just want you guys to join the Moose Squad in knowing how to handle and use knives safely. So consider yourselves a member of the Moose Squad once you like and subscribe. But yeah, remember, kids and people in general, don't be stupid. Always close your knives when you're not using them. Gotta love the pocket clip. I'll leave a link in the description or the link in the eye in the upper right hand corner to my review of the CRKT Pete. Excellent knife for the money. So we got a bunch of these, what are these called? Packing puffs? I don't know. I think these are the edible ones. Don't want to leave them in there, don't want to make a mess. Oh, they're getting everywhere. Ooh, bigger box than I thought. Here we go. This is a We knife. And as you can see, it is the Banter. The black G10 handle scales, black SS liners, black stonewash CPM S35VN. We got to bring out the Pete again. Crack this bad boy open, get it crack-a-lackin' open. Boom. I think this is the right way to open it. I don't know, two ends, pick a side. This box is a little bit bigger than what I initially expected. Don't eat this, you'll die. And yeah, don't eat that stuff. So, as always, we pouch, very nice, zippered opening, and the floodgates have opened. This is what I really wanted. I just wanted this for the sticker. Just kidding. But sweet sticker. Just from that sticker alone, you should know what's coming in here. And we have, plus I already read the box. We have the We Knives Banter. This is made by Ben. I forgot his last name. Ben Petersen, maybe? I don't remember. But he has the Knifes website, knifes.com. He put together this great mat with a bunch of different knife info. He also has a poster that you can get, and oops, once again, operator error, and oh my goodness. Oh, that fits in hand better than I thought. That's his little symbol, the WIUG, what is up, guys, saying. And I finally got one. I was able to order them. They came back in stock, and I was able to order them. If you don't know who Ben is, he was on worked for Blade HQ. Was a lot part of their online media presence, as far as like social media. He did a lot of knife banters, which was a segment that they have, and I think they still have it. And he worked for CRKT, and he finally designed his own knife. And he designed it basically to fit all the specs he appreciates and likes. Oh, this is smooth. That is so drop shutty. Oh. And I always liked Ben because his expectations of what a good EDC pocket knife related pretty heavily, or matched my expectations pretty equally. So like I said, the Pete, great knife. You can see one of my faves, and this definitely fits that size. Well done, Ben. I'm excited to finally get this in hand. Can't wait to use it and carry it, and I'm pretty sure just from the get-go that this will be a consistent one in my rotation. So there you have it, guys. I know you can check out a lot of other reviews of this. Just know I'm going to carry it a couple weeks, and then I will bring you a review of this. So that is what came in the mail today. Super stoked. I'll leave links in the description below. Yeah, I think this is like 108, 110, 12 bucks. So really good stuff for a very good price. Check the links below. Check the eye in the right-hand corner for the review of this guy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you got one of these. I hope it comes in other colors eventually, too, because that'd be really sweet. Yeah, I'll see you outside, guys. Peace!